Hello Physics Nation, my name is Nate Larmond and I'd like to do a simple problem for you from openstax 11.4. It asks, what depth of mercury creates a pressure of 1 atmosphere? So just imagine a container filled with mercury and we're going to dive underneath the surface to figure out how deep we need to dive in order to experience 1 atmosphere of pressure, that is a gauge pressure of 1 atmosphere. So the important mathematical model is pressure equals rho gh, density times the acceleration due to gravity multiplied by the column height. And we're just rearranging for h, so pressure divided by rho g. Atmospheric pressure is 101 kilopascals. The density of mercury is 13,560 kilograms per cubic meter and 9.8 meters per second squared. So hit the buttons on the calculator and you'd get about 3/4 of a meter of mercury, 0.76 meters. If you were to do that in water, you would have to go a little over 10 meters deep to experience 1 atmosphere of pressure. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.